In this video we will construct excavator from these parts. First, we will take the base part called chassis. Second, we have pivots for wheels. Then, we will take wheels from one side and from another side. Now we will take the turnable base. Then, going back part for counterweight. Seat for driver. The driver wheel. And of course, the driver cabin. Now we will take very significant part. It is grab for our excavator. Let's see how it works. Very good works. Now we will take the lower grab for fixing the excavator and for grabbing the ground. And of course, last part, the ladder for driver. All done. Now we will see how our excavator moves. Good moving. All the wheels rotate and excavator turns. Now we will brake. Good. And now our excavator will take the blue cylinder and will put it on the ground. Well done. Very good work, excavator.